Hey everyone, this is Kate from Shinetech, and today I'm addressing a question that pops up quite frequently on the Shopify community forums: how to add breadcrumbs for the Dawn 15 theme. First off, what are breadcrumbs? Breadcrumbs are navigation aids that show users the path they have taken to arrive at a particular page. So, when users want to check out the whole collection while on a product detail page, they can easily find the collection by clicking on the path. Breadcrumbs are an essential feature because they help users navigate your site more easily, improving your customer experience and potentially boosting your sales revenue. Now let's dive right in and see how to create breadcrumbs for the Shopify theme Dawn 15. First, you'll need to click Edit Theme Code and add a new file in the Sections folder of your theme. Name it Breadcrumb. The default selection is liquid. Open the file and replace the content with the code I've provided. For the exact code you need to insert, check out the video description below. Click Save. Head to the theme editor and add this newly created section to the page templates where you want the breadcrumbs to appear. In this case, I'm going to add it to the collections list page, the products list page, and the products detail page. You can change the color to fit your brand. Save the changes. Drag the newly added breadcrumb section to the position you want to place it. Go to the next page where you wish to add breadcrumbs. Repeat the process. That's it. Your site now has functional breadcrumb navigation. Thanks for watching. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any questions or ideas, feel free to drop them in the comments section below. I love hearing from you, and I'm here to help. You can also reach us by emailing us or visiting our site.